Hello everyone, welcome back to M Math Academy. Today in this video I am going to explain you another important topic in mathematics, which is Bedmass rule and order of operations in mathematics. Now, as an introduction, I am going to give you a rough idea why it is important or what is this. Bedmass is an acronym which is extensively used in order of operations in mathematics. Whenever we have a math problem, and that problem might require the use of different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, brackets, etc. So order of operations is extremely important, and mathematicians have agreed upon a specific rule. There might be different names of these rule in different countries, but I will explain. But I am going to highlight on Bedmass rule, which is extensively used in different countries. Now, in this topic, I will explain why order of operation is important, order of operations in Bedmass rule, steps in order of operations in Bedmass rule, Bedmass, Pedmass, Bodmass, PEMDAS, these are different names. Then Bedmass rule, examples and worksheet. Let's start. Why order of operation is important? Suppose there is a question, let's solve this. Simplify the following. It's a very simple problem, but we have to see why the order of operations is important. Suppose 8 plus 2 times 6 divided by 3. Now, in order to understand this, I have different solutions here. Which solution is correct below? We have to decide. Suppose this is a solution. Is it correct? 8 plus 2 times 6 divided by 3. So, what we have done here, 8 plus 2 is 10. Then we leave this part as it is. So, 10 times 6 is 60 divided by 3 equal to 20. I am not going to say whether it is correct or wrong, incorrect. Let us find the different options, then we will decide. Suppose there is another solution here for the same problem, 8 plus 2 times 6 divided by 3. In this case, what we are doing, we leave 8 as it is here plus 2 times 6, sorry, 2 is also, we are leaving 2 as it is. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So after that, in the next step, we leave 8 as it is. Then 2 times 2 is 4, and then ultimately 8 plus 4 is 12. So we are doing division first, then multiplication, then addition. And the last solution is like this: 8 plus 2 times 6 divided by 3. What we are doing here, we are multiplying 2 times 6 is 12 first, then we are dividing by 3 to so we get 4 here. 8 plus 8 times 4 equal to 32. Now the question is, which one is correct, which one is incorrect? Let's see. So this is incorrect. The first solution is incorrect. The second one is correct, and the third one is again incorrect. Now the question is, but why? Why are not all of them correct? Order of operations is extremely important, and Bedmass rule is so significant. I am not going to explain why these two solutions are not correct, but this one is correct. All I wanted to mention here is order of operations is important. So this order of operation is correct, but the order of operations are not correct in this solution and this one. That's why these are not correct. See, that is the importance, that is the necessity of following a specific order of operations in any mathematical simplifications. That's what I wanted to point here. So although all these solutions look very much correct, but they are not. So this is incorrect, but only this one is correct. We will explain. Order of operations in BEDMAS rule. Any mathematical expression containing different operations, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, brackets or parentheses, order of operations is extremely important as well as essential. But what is the best way to perform the mixed operations properly? Answer is by following BEDMAS rule. BEDMAS rule is a very helpful acronym to remember the order of operations according to the priority of the operations, which operation is important first and which one operation should be followed later. Each letter of BEDMAS refers to one part of the operation to be used. Let's see what does BEDMAS stand for. So that's what BEDMAS stand for. B stands for brackets, E stands for exponents, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So that's what BEDMAS is. Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. The first letter is what we are using in this acronym. Order of operations, steps to follow BEDMAS. Following are the steps to follow. Step 1. Do all the operations within the brackets or parentheses. That is step number 1. Step 2. Evaluate the exponents. Step 3. Perform division and multiplication whichever first from left to right. Step 4. Perform addition and subtraction whichever first from left to right. BEDMAS rule tells us about the priority of the sequence of operations. Brackets are the highest or first priority, then exponents are the second priority, then both division and multiplication whichever comes first is the third priority, and finally addition and subtraction whichever comes first is the last or fourth priority. Note, if any mathematical expression has two or more operations of the same priority, they must be performed from left to right sequentially. So as we have mentioned, BEDMAS stands for brackets, exponent, division and multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now this is the priority list. Brackets is the first priority, exponent second priority, division and multiplication both of them third priority according to their sequence, according to their position in the mathematical expression, and addition and subtraction they are fourth priority whichever comes first. So note, between division and multiplication perform whichever comes first from left to right. So division and multiplication both are third priority, whichever comes first that should be taken care of first. Similarly for addition and subtraction, between these two both are fourth priority but perform whichever comes first from left to right. Now different acronyms used in different areas, different parts of the world. BEDMAS, PEDMAS, BODMAS and PEMDAS. Different mnemonics are used in different countries across the world. BEDMAS or PEDMAS is most common in Canada and New Zealand, whereas PEMDAS is used in the USA. But speakers of British English often use BODMAS, is most common in the UK, Australia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria and some other West African countries. Similarly in the UK, BEDMAS is also used. Let's see which one stands for what. So BEDMAS, this common acronym refers to bracket. B stands for bracket, E stands for exponents, division D, multiplication M and addition A, subtraction S. So this is BEDMAS. Now PEDMAS, very similar to BEDMAS, only difference is sometimes parenthesis is used instead of brackets. So P is replacing B in PEDMAS. just instead of brackets sometimes parentheses is used, and P stands for that. So BEDMAS and PEDMAS, they are very similar except this first letter. Now PEMDAS, this acronym stands for parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So this is the sequence, and as we have mentioned here, this is extensively used in the United States. Next comes BODMAS. This is extensively used in India and other parts of the world where British English is the language. So in this case, order is used. Order means powers or square roots, etc. This is used instead of exponents. So here bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Next, another which is not that important, but sometimes it's better to be familiar with. This is BEDMAS. So here indices are used instead of order or exponent. So bracket, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So most important is we are dealing with BEDMAS in this video, and PEMDAS is used in the United States and BODMAS is used in India. So BEDMAS rule examples. This is an example here. 42 divided by 7 times 3 plus 9 times 2 minus 4. So this is the solution. First of all, we have to take care of the division here because there is no bracket or exponent here. So we are doing the division here. 42 divided by 7, we get 6. The rest of the this expression is staying here as it is. Then we are following by multiplication, then subtraction and addition. So this is what we have done here. Division performed first, followed by multiplication before addition and subtraction. Example 2 here, very similar to this one. Here also we do the division performed first, followed by multiplication before addition and subtraction. So very similar, you can follow this. Next, there is one more example here. We have to take care of this bracket first, then the exponent. So inside this bracket we have to divide 12 by 3. We get 4. Then the exponent, we have to take care of this part. 4 square is 16. Then division followed by addition, subtraction, because there is no multiplication here. So that's what we have done. Exponent evaluated first, followed by division before addition and subtraction. And one more example here. So here we have to take care of the bracket first again. So 5 plus 5 gives 10. Then we have to take care of the exponent. 2 cube equal to 8. Then division should be performed, after which we can take care of the multiplication followed by addition and subtraction. So exponent evaluated first, followed by division here. So exponent is here, then division before performing multiplication followed by addition and subtraction. So that's pretty much this BEDMAS rule and some examples. I have a worksheet here. Try these problems. If there is any problem, you can send me a comment in my under my video. There is a comment section. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel, which is M Math Academy.